morning student. Today we are going to learn the next point present on the page number 17, Mendeleev's periodic table. Up to this point we have seen two scientists has tried to classify the elements according to increasing atomic mass. Who are they? First one is Dove Reiner. He has made the group of three elements having same chemical properties and show that the middle element has atomic mass same as that of mean of atomic mass of first and third element. Next one is Newland. He compared the elements with the music system, Western music system. He created group of 8 elements and found out the law of octave. That is, the property of first element and 8th element are same. We have also seen the examples related to that. Now next scientist is Mendeleev. Mendeleev was a Russian scientist and he has created the periodic table of elements. This is new step in the invention of classification of elements. He created periodic table during the time period between 1869 to 1872 AD. Then I have written some important points on the blackboard. You can see that he considered atomic mass as a fundamental property of element. Then he organized the periodic table on the basis of physical and chemical properties of element. Then one question came in your mind, what is meant by physical and chemical properties of element? Always remember, physical properties of element is nothing but melting point of the element, boiling point, density, mass. These properties of the substance called as physical properties. And what is meant by chemical properties? Chemical properties means how that element react with the other element by some chemical reaction called as chemical properties. That is, one by one Mendeleev studied each and every element. He organized 63 elements known at that time. That is, at the time period of Mendeleev, there is an invention of only 63 elements. Then you can see here, he made the periodic table on the basis of molecular formula of hydride, oxides of element, melting point, boiling point, densities of element. Then what is meant by hydride? Hydride means how that element react with the hydrogen. And what is meant by oxide? How that element react with the oxygen, called as oxide. Then he invented one law that is called as periodic law. What is periodic law? Properties of elements are periodic function of atomic masses. You can see properties of elements are periodic function of atomic masses. This is the periodic law of Mendeleev. You can see on the page number 18 the periodic table of Mendeleev. You can see the vertical columns are called as a group and horizontal rows are called as a periods. That is, vertical columns, groups, horizontal rows, periods. He created, you can see here, 8 groups and 12 periods. You can also see here in the group R2O, RO, these are molecular formula of elements, are written on this first period. You can see here R2O, RO, R2O3. These are molecular formula of elements. You can also see here introduction of a scientist. That is, what is introduction? Mendeleev was professor in St. Petersburg University. He made separate card for every known element showing its atomic mass. That is, he has studied each and every element. Think over it. He has found out melting point, boiling point, density of each and every element. That is 63 elements. That is, he would take many years to complete the study of 63 elements. And finally he has created the periodic table. He arranged the cards in according to the atomic masses, properties of element, and finally invented the periodic table of element. So always remember about the Mendeleev, how he has created the periodic table according to physical and chemical properties of element. He has taken into consideration atomic mass, then oxide, hydrides, molecular formula of different elements. Now, after Mendeleev's periodic table, next point present on the page number 19 is think about it. Two questions are asked regarding to Mendeleev's periodic table. That is, you have to observe the periodic table and give the answer. What is the first question? In some of the places of Mendeleev's periodic table, atomic masses are predicted, but the name of that element was not given. Then find out the group and period of that particular atomic mass. You can see when you observe this periodic table, you can see here 44 atomic mass. You can see it is present in the group 3. In front of 44 there is a equal sign, but the name of the element is not given because that element was not discovered at that time. So you can see 44 is equal to, in front of it, it is not given the name of element. 44, it is present in the group 3. You can see period 4. Similarly, you can see 68 atomic mass present in group 3, period 5. You can see 72 atomic mass present in group 4, period 5. Similarly, you can see 100. It is present in the group 7 and period 6. Then you have to draw this table in your notebook. Then next question is what? The question mark symbol indicated before some elements. Write the name of that elements. You have to find out this symbol present in which type of elements or before some elements. So you have to write the name of that elements. Then these are present, you can see here in group 3rd. You can see YT. In front of YT question mark is present. In front of DI question mark is present. In front of ER question mark is present. In front of C question mark is present. That is, you have to write the name of the elements in front of which question mark sign is present. It is merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Then what is meant by merit? Merit means benefits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Then what are the benefits of Mendeleev's periodic table? The first benefit is that atomic masses of some elements were revised so as to give them proper place in periodic table accordance with their properties. That is, Mendeleev found out the atomic masses of some element to their correct value. For example, you can see here the previous determined atomic mass of beryllium was 14.09, but Mendeleev found out the atomic mass of beryllium was 9.4, and the atomic mass 9.4 is the correct value of beryllium atomic mass. So it was placed before boron. First, atomic mass of beryllium was 14.09, but Mendeleev found out correct value of atomic mass of beryllium. It was 9.4 and it was placed before boron. Then next merit of Mendeleev's periodic table is that Mendeleev kept a vacant place in periodic table. These unknown elements were discovered later. That is, at that time Mendeleev did not find out some elements, but later on these elements were found out by different scientists. You can see here elements. Which are these elements? Icoboron, its atomic mass was 44. Then later on, after Mendeleev, some scientists discovered this element. That is, Icoboron was nothing but scandium. Ica aluminium, atomic mass 68. This element is gallium. Then Ica silicon, atomic mass 72. The discovered name is germanium. These pairs are asked for your choose correct pair. You can see here Icoboron 44 scandium, Ica aluminium 68 gallium, and Ica silicon 72 germanium. Then you can see the properties of these elements matched well as predicted by Mendeleev. That is, Mendeleev found out the properties of these elements, and these properties are later on discovered by different scientists. The properties discovered by Mendeleev matched with the properties of element discovered by other scientists. So its classification was accepted. You can see the classification of Mendeleev was accepted by different scientists. I have seen two merits. Now this one is last merit of Mendeleev's periodic table. What is the last merit? There was no place reserved for noble gases in Mendeleev's original periodic table. When noble gases such as helium, argon, or you can say neon were discovered, the zero group was created by Mendeleev without disturbing the original group. Then one question came in your mind, what is meant by noble gas? Noble gas means the elements which are present in the state of gas and they do not take part in the chemical reaction because their octet is complete. Octet means the 8 electrons are present in their outermost shell. So they do not take part in the chemical reaction. Such gases are called as noble gases. In original Mendeleev periodic table, there were no place for noble gases. But after their discovery, Mendeleev has created 0 group without disturbing the original periodic table. These are the merits of Mendeleev's periodic table.